If your motorcycle chain is dirtier than a politician lying to a preacher on Sunday, then this video is for you. Yeah, so everything you're gonna see in this video, don't worry, I have links in the description. First thing we want to do is get these new parts that my Amazon guys just dropped off while I was making this video. I'll be posting that video later about the upgrade I'm gonna do to this bike, so make sure you're subbed. Also, get the bike jacked up, and these is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need the Motorex Chain Clean Degreaser. I like to get this one. It works really well. For the lube, I use the Motorex Road Chain Lube. I use the strong version. Works pretty well, and it's also white, so I get to see where I've actually sprayed on my chain. I like that. You're also gonna need a brush kit. I picked this one up on Amazon pretty cheap. It comes with the thick brush, the small brush for getting into the small areas, and oh, a little ASMR. It also comes with the chain brush. You get to put your chain in between there and just run the wheel through it like we're gonna do. That's gonna make chain cleaning really easy. You're also gonna need towels, and more towels. All right, now that we got everything we need, let's get this bad boy started. So let's degrease the bike. These are the things you're gonna need: the degreaser, both of your brushes, or technically all three of your brushes. And all you're gonna do is take your chain cleaning brush and do it like you see here. Stick that on the chain, rotate the wheel, take the little pencil brush, get in between the little grooves on the sprocket. I like this, pretty easy, satisfying. Once that's done, what I like to do is take a screwdriver and get any of the stuff that's caked on. You know what I mean? Don't put a lot of pressure on this. I'm not responsible if you scratch your sprocket. After I've run the screwdriver over it, I like to take a little terry towel, do it where I'm moving the wheel and the sprocket to see if there's any caked on stuff left. I also like to take my brushes and rub the top of the chain. That gets any gunk that's stuck on the top of the chain just to kind of fall through the little grooves. After you've done what I've shown you, your chain should be looking pretty fresh and clean like an Andre 3000 song, or just like you see on this screen. Now that this chain is drier than the Sahara Desert, we gotta get it wet like SeaWorld. So get your road chain lube, get your terry towel, put your terry towel over that ugly box thing that makes all of our motorcycles sound like a castrated Rottweiler. Bring your towel through, that way you're not burning up the lube when you do turn on the motorcycle and ride it, cause it stinks. I've done it before. Anyways, grab your lube, rotate your chain. I like to do this about 3 to 5 times, and this is where having it be white really helps out because I can see how much of the chain that I got. For all the excess lube, all you want to do is just take another one of your 50 towels that you brought and just slide through with light pressure, get that excess oil off. Your wheels are going to get dirty in the process. Bonus tip, use the Motorex Quick Cleaner. That's going to make cleaning all this oil and grease off of the wheels super easy. I just like to spray a little bit, wax on, wax off like a Miyagi movie, and it's all good in the hood. Look at that, super shiny, blinging like a 24-karat ring. I love it. Now, Motorex didn't sponsor me. I just really like their products, and I think they work well. And I thought that this would be cool to show you how to clean a chain in a real simple, easy way. I'm SoCal Rider B. Thanks for visiting my channel. Make sure you sub, and it's all love. I'll holler at y'all. Have a good day.
No new friends, I couldn't catch a win until I cut off the loose ends. Used to whip the Honda in the trunk at 210s. Just like that too. Out the speakers was max B. Couldn't say a thing about the way if you asked me. Never caught the chain, I was always trying to gain green. Riding around with my sexy love in the passenger seat.